Good morning. Today we are tracking cooler and cloudier conditions, so light jacket definitely needed this morning. And let's take a look at your live HD Doppler radar. You can access My HD Doppler radar on our website, and you can track just where the storm is happening. And of course, we'll continue to keep you posted throughout the day. Let's zoom in a bit closer. Teller County seeing some snow right now. That's what our Doppler radar is picking up, indicated by the blue hues there. As we head over to Monument as well as Falcon, we are also seeing some snow. The pinks indicate the rain and snow mix, and the greens, I should say, show the rain, and that's what we're seeing Interquest Parkway. So for those of you who are heading up to Monument or vice versa, just be aware that you'll run into some of those showers. A look now from our Falcon Fire Department Neighborhood Weather Network camera. Breezy winds. It will be blustery throughout the day. Just keep that in mind. Our Greater Woodland Park Chamber of Commerce and Visitor Center camera, we're not picking up or seeing any snow here. But again, we are seeing some of those flurries flying on our Doppler radar, 33 degrees right there. As for the Skycast, let's play you through the next few hours or so. Quarter before 9, you see a lot of these showers and snow just focused for the higher terrain. But mid-morning through the lunch hour, that's when we'll start to see these showers become more organized. I'm not expecting much in the way of accumulation at all. If anything, for the Palmer Divide in Teller County, we could see some accumulation on grassy areas and patio furniture. Outside of that, wet roads, just a few slushy spots. Pueblo, here we are, 1:30. You can see some of the concentrated pockets of moisture with moderate to heavy showers at times. This storm will track to the south throughout the day, impacting Walsenburg and Trinidad with some snow too. A lot of the snow staying to the foothills as well. Overall, a rain and snow mix, cooler and cloudier, and unfortunately still breezy. Later on tonight, we'll start to calm those winds down and finally have some calm winds, hopefully tomorrow. Current temperatures, relatively mild, 30s and the 40s, and highs won't be much warmer. Those daytime temperatures only reaching the 40s and the 50s in spots. As you can tell, not a lot of cool air associated with the storm, which is one of the reasons why we're not saying any sort of major accumulation possible. Right around 9 a.m., temperatures in the upper 40s with some of the 50s mixed in by noon, and then 3 p.m. upper 40s the name of the game. 70 forecast shows will rebound temperatures quite nicely. 50s and 60s Thursday through Friday. First half of the weekend looking awesome. Sunday, not bad either. Just a few light afternoon showers. Monday and Tuesday, we can also see some of those showers, but because the forecast models are differing on that, I've just chosen to verbally mention it as confidence isn't high. In Pueblo, 52 today, 60s and the 70s Thursday and Friday, with mostly sunny skies to look forward to over the weekend. To Canyon City we go, 50 today, the chance for some of those showers throughout the day. Thursday and Friday, partly sunny skies, mostly sunny on Saturday, and just a few afternoon showers Sunday. Finally, for Teller County, 39 today. Be aware there could be some slushy spots, lowered visibility, wet roads overall. We'll track it for you, and I'll have your day planner and more coming up.
All right, thanks so much, Abby. Yeah. Now we want to get a check of our morning commute.